watch our dreams begin to grow. More than play, it sets us free. Magic keeps